In this video, I'm going to show you how can you choose and add a domain to your website or online store. First, on the left side menu, go to the section Settings, then click on Domains and Address. Then a window will open where you will be able to choose your domain name if you have upgraded to any of the Mozello premium plans, because the domain is included in the price, or you could add a domain you already own. So basically, if you have a domain which you have bought somewhere else, you can add it to your Mozello website, and you can also see and edit your free version domain. In this case, we want to add a new domain and we click on button Choose my domain name. Then you will have to insert the domain name you want and click on the button OK. The next window will show you if your domain name is available or not. In this case, it is available, and if we click OK, a window will open that Mozello has received a request, but it's important to state that domain name registration and activation usually takes around 1 business day, so please be patient.